Welcome back, everyone. Today we have a 2009 Nissan Altima that has a steering wheel lock problem. Dealer wants $1,200 for the part. We're going to show you possible ways of fixing it. Stay tuned. Okay, to show you what's going on, we have the key here. Push the button, it's completely dead. We have key light in the dash. We can even put it in the emergency port. It does detect the key, but it still won't start. Okay, I've run the scan tool on it. It says steering wheel lock assembly is a problem. And stop the menu. Let's tear it apart, show you what we can do. Okay, start by grabbing your plastic tool, popping this cover off. Come on. Come on. Go. There is a hidden screw in here. It's a Phillips. You can't see that, but I assure you, there it is. Okay, now to pull this off, there's some plastic clips on the top. There we go, and there. Unplug the ODB. Unplug this guy. All right, and clear this out. Here's the steering wheel lock assembly. This has been changed out in 2013, and there was a recall on it. So they actually were very nice. Normally they have tamper-resistant bolts. They actually left the little nubs on. Okay, I'm going to take this off so you can see what's going on. They weren't very tight at all. You could take this plate off to make it easier, but okay. So normally what happens is you apply too much torque, it twists off the bolts, and it's a security bolt. They were nice enough to just thread this in without snapping them. Thank you, previous replacement owner. But because this piece is now $1,200 Canadian, what we can do to start it, now that this is out, if we were to push down, what's happening is there's a sensor in here from top to bottom. It doesn't know that the steering wheel is locked. So if we push down on this, oh, did you hear that? Start it up. I disconnect this. Now you can see it's just a little bit higher, this little piece here. Now, okay. It's now detecting that it's down. There was a little click there, you probably didn't hear it. There, so when you, there, see? It had the lock there. You didn't hear that. Okay, now let's unlock the door. Now we got it working. Off. As soon as we open the door, take a look. Okay. So what we can do is it's on spring load. It wasn't detecting that it was down. So two ways of fixing it. Right now it's working. It's probably going to fail again. We need to push this down and hold it in until it locks in. Once we do that, it should know that it's always in this position. We can do that. Or we drill a hole in here and put a bolt through. There's another video on that. But by jiggling it back and forth, you heard that? That's what we did to fix this one. Now it's sitting outward. For some reason, maybe the cold weather made it not work or anything, but it's definitely a way to fix it. Okay. Instead of buying a new part, by working it back and forth, we got it to work again. How long is it going to work? Well, for $1,200 Canadian on a 12-year-old vehicle. We can work on it a little bit. As you can see by the snow, it's the next day. Yeah, and it didn't work. So what we've done is we've drilled a hole and put a bolt through, and now we're gonna plug it in. We're gonna zap strap this underneath here, and now it will never ever think that it is locked. It will always be in the unlock, so it can start again. It won't arm the security. First way might fix it. This way, I know will. If you found this useful, give it a like. I can put more of these out there. Thanks for watching.